ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà, Àṣàkẹ́ block mi, Àṣàkẹ́ the singer, Àṣàkẹ́ Mr. Money, ó block mi. Àṣàkẹ́ o, daddy ẹ ló wá bá mi. Your daddy came to me that LEGE, Àṣàkẹ́ is not taking care of me. As an elderly man, I have to listen to him. If your daddy talking to me, I did not listen to your dad, what do you think? That means I don't have respect for your dad. That means I'm not a responsible child.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa LEGE Miami ó ti jáde wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa bí Àṣàkẹ́ ṣe blọ́ọ̀kù rẹ̀ nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá rẹ̀ bí bàbá rẹ̀ ṣe fẹjọ́ sùn LEGE Miami wípé Àṣàkẹ́ kò tọ́jú òun. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ sí LEGE Miami ó ti fẹ̀hónú rẹ̀ hàn ó nínú fọ́nrán tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbádùn èyí tó kù.
Now, because I listen to your dad, I make a just short video to call you out that your daddy said this. Do you know what take me before I make that video? Oh, because of that, you went online and copied my page and you blocked me. No problem, it's fine. Daddy Àṣàkẹ́, telling that to me, see, Àṣàkẹ́ blocked me. All Nigerians ask me how I take no say Àṣàkẹ́ don't block me. Yesterday, by 11:30 p.m. in Nigerian time, I was scrolling my page. I saw a post through Instagram. Instagram post Wizkid and Àṣàkẹ́. I was like, Àṣàkẹ́ and Wizkid. Instagram post them. Wow, this is fantastic. Anyway, let me even see Wizkid page. I click on Wizkid page. I saw his picture. I was laughing. Wow, I'm proud of you guys. To check Àṣàkẹ́ page that ọmọ mi Lagos Island mo pé Àṣàkẹ́ the musician. Mo ní pé Instagram said this page is not existing or existed. Sorry for bad English. So now Àṣàkẹ́ block me. No problem. Then Àṣàkẹ́ ilẹ̀ dálẹ̀ o. Ẹ̀yin náà lè máa pàṣàkẹ́ ń gbọ́ Àṣàkẹ́. Mo pàṣẹ fún ẹ kó lọ blọ́ọ̀kì LEGE. Tẹ́ bá ṣe yẹn, dáadáa Àṣàkẹ́ o. Àdáṣe ẹ̀kọ́ tiẹ̀ náà.